A Cheerio. You like your Cheerios? You want another one? Whoops. There you go, baby. Want that Cheerio? You're such a big boy eating Cheerios. Oh, there you go. Good boy. He's pretty good with no teeth, buddy. That's good. You want more? Hey, no climb on me. No climbing. Don't. I'll get you.